What's the difference between a semicolon and a colon? Both can be used to separate the elements of a sentence, but how do we know when to use each? A semicolon is used to separate independent clauses. It's an element of a sentence that contains both a subject and a verb. Take this example. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. Both elements are complete sentences and they make sense on their own. And because they share a logical connection, they can be joined with a semicolon. A colon is used to separate an independent clause and anything else. So you could have used a colon in this case to separate the independent clauses, but you can also use a colon before a list. Like in this example, happiness requires 3 ingredients: love, labor, and luck. A colon is preferable when it provides amplifying or clarifying information about the first part of a sentence. So there's a strong connection between the first and second elements. But the bottom line is a semicolon separates 2 independent clauses while a colon separates an independent clause and anything else. Follow for more videos like this.